You can make money now at 0 subscribers, but there's a wrong way and a right way to do it. I'll get to that later on in the video. Affiliate marketing is the thing that you can use to make money right now at 0 subscribers. Affiliate marketing essentially is when you use something that relates to your YouTube channel that it can help a lot of people, or a lot of people will find it valuable to use, and then you're the middleman and you refer that to people. Now, here's the thing. It's not really a bad thing, but you need to do it or you can get in real bad legal trouble. And that is, you need to put a disclaimer. If you want to know how to do this, you can look at my description. Same as not that VidIQ on affiliate link that you can use. Then you can copy paste what I did there. You need to do this disclaimer. It's like when you do a sponsorship. If you don't know about this, you need to do a paid sponsorship thing that lets people know there's a sponsorship in the video. But the wrong way and the right way to do it. How I mentioned you need to put the disclaimer. You also need to put the affiliate link in the description, but there's a wrong way to do this, and that essentially is when you put affiliate link that's in a random video and tell nobody could go down there and look at the description. If you need an example how I did that, rewind this video a few seconds back and see how I did it. But the right way to do it is how I did it. You make a video that you essentially tell people to go to the description. Here's a bonus power tip for you. You can also make a video that you are reviewing or doing a tutorial on the affiliate you're doing. So if I wanted to, I can do like a vidIQ tutorial or review. Then I can refer you to vidIQ. And then that video is essentially the middleman too. But there is a crucial mistake that another YouTubers make, new YouTubers. That essentially is they don't build a community. You don't just go referring people to affiliate links unless you do like reviews or tutorials of the affiliate link you're doing. Well, essentially you need to build a community of people who trust you. Nobody's gonna go to your affiliate link because they don't trust you. Too many bad scammers on YouTube. Now, I'm gonna make a YouTube video in the future, and will be on the screen now when I make it. It's gonna be about how to build a know your audience on YouTube. But till then, YouTube thinks you like this video. So go ahead and watch that video, and I'll see you there. Till then, have a great day.